What is up, everybody? MTmotoRIDER here, and I am definitely not riding an MT-09. So guys, I ended up getting rid of my MT-09. It was a fun bike, but it was time to slow down and move on to different things. And that's the reason why I haven't been putting up any content, because I had the bike for sale and went through the process of having it put up for sale and talking to people, and finally got a deal worked out where I ended up with 2 bikes, so that worked out pretty cool. Now this that I'm on right now is a 2005 Suzuki V-Strom DL650, and I do have a Go Fast bike at home, which I will do a separate video about that. But I will say it will be used for the track this year. I really want to do that, so I'm planning on doing some track time with the other bike, but I'll talk about the other bike later. And this is actually the first time I've got to ride it. Since I've had it, there was an issue with the title, so I had to get that sorted out, and I found a luggage kit for it. I had to order brackets for the luggage. It did come with the bark busters, the Oxford heated grips, the crash bars, the GV windscreen. It did come with all of that already. Also, it does have a seat concept seat on it, which is very comfortable. And the luggage I ended up getting is all GV as well. I can do a separate video on all that if you want to see the luggage. It's just your basic hard GV luggage. It's really nice, actually. A lot of room in all the boxes. If you follow my channel, you have probably seen some of the videos with my buddy, a moto photo guy. He got a V-Strom as well, and we are planning on doing sort of a adventure series, possibly starting a whole completely different channel just for that reason. But we don't know yet. We've got to kind of figure out how things are going to go and all that good stuff. But I think it'll be a whole lot of fun. I mean, the same concept goes for what we talked about in our last video, which is we just want to get on the bikes and ride and film. There's no set destination. There's no... Basically, there's no plan at all. We really want to do that because we think it'll be a whole lot of fun. We even talked about possibly doing some camping on the bikes. Definitely doing a whole lot longer rides since they're really comfortable and actually made for that. But mine's a 2005. Moto Photo Guy ended up with a 2011 V-Strom, a black one, that actually came with luggage when he got it, so that was awesome. But his is really nice. He seems to like it a lot. But I just want to let you guys know that I did get rid of the 09, and I do have this V-Strom now. I'll definitely be doing a separate video on the other bike when that time comes. But like I said, to give you an idea of what it might be, it will be used on the track. So I think that'll be a good time as well. But I wanted to let you guys know what was happening and why there hasn't been any content lately. So I decided to come out and do this short ride. I'm actually on the way to help my mom out with some stuff. But if you guys want to see some of the adventure rides and stuff that me and Moto Photo Guy might end up going on and just all that good stuff, definitely look out for those videos. But if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Check out all my other videos. Definitely go check out Moto Photo Guy's channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.